You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Two different ways of pronouncing this name. By the way, if you want to learn more Hawaiian words, names of places and vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. So, locals in local Hawaiian, it is said as Mauna Lani, right? But Americans often say it as Mauna Lani, just like Mauna Loa. Many say Mauna Loa, but locals call it Mauna Loa. This is the same, Mauna Lani, but Americans often refer to it as Mauna Lani. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.